Hello again. Hello again. This is Izzy Vaughn, and this is my Magic Chase Magic Racing board game. This is the work in progress. Section 1, the overview. Your required items would be the board game of the map, preferably a track-like map, D&D dice, quantity of 3, even and odd numbers, 1 out of 5 character legends, 1 up to 5 character legends, preferably magic-related, pencil and a pencil of paper. Section 2, the gameplay. Main menu screen. Players given options for a quick play or custom match, or even playing the Wizard Championships. Players also given a chance to customize their player by changing the designs to their wardrobe or broom. Players are given an opportunity to customize the different attributes and abilities to their brooms. You are also given a choice to choose the map in which the players will race on. Once you have chosen your character and upgraded your broom, you may now enter the race. Section 2, gameplay continue. The game loads players into the track. Players are given a brief introduction as they come up to the track. The screen pans out to the audience and back to the racers. The next screen shows your character lined up alongside the other players. A countdown begins. Players are shown on a small map in the corner of the screen, color indicated. The game begins. Players race along the track. You are given icons on the track as a sword for attack abilities or shield for defensive abilities. Players must be strategic as they race along the track. Players must complete 5 laps in order to win the race. The plot. The story of Magic Chase. The Wizard Cup is fast approaching. All the nearby Magic schools come to compete in hopes to win the cup. The winner not only gets the cup, but also is given exclusive bragging rights as the best school in the land. Section 4, the art, the map. The design of the map would look similar to maps like your modern racing games, with twists and turns and environment challenges. The time of day is up to you, giving you a choice to adjust the day and night settings. The music. Mystical music, preferably, with trumpets, are presented in the start menu. During the actual gameplay, the music picks up in rhythm and beat. The brooms. The brooms vary in design, giving the player a wide selection, allowing you to pick a unique look.